day. I always treat myself a good day. But all my friends are not having a good day. But they wish they can have one good day. But why do they be bossy to me sometimes?